Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful quick meal Andre Premium Evo espresso machine. Now for this beautiful machine, we replace the one of the little foods the machine needed. We also have to open the whole machine and replace the air valve and the water pump of the machine itself. And once we had the whole machine up and running and heating up, we had to adjust the expansion valve and also descale the machine. So yeah, that's what we did. We descaled the A61 group head and we also descaled the boiler of the machine itself. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine up. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Now this machine is a heat exchanger and it's already been on for a bit, so I'm gonna run a bit of water through the heat exchanger itself so it will cool down and not be at the same temperature as the steam boiler. Once you do that, you have like 20 to 30 seconds approximately until the water inside the heat exchanger reaches the exact same temperature as the steam boiler. Now we are using our LED Bianca grinder, the grinder we have set up for the LED Bianca. So hopefully I didn't compact it that much, the espresso shot, and we get to see a nice beautiful shot. There is a bit of tiny in there. I probably tampered a bit too hard, but we're still gonna be able to see a nice extraction coming out from this beautiful machine. I personally own the Andre Premium, not the Evo version, but the older version of this machine, and I'm very happy with it, to be honest. Beautiful shot of espresso coming out of the heat exchanger. Great flow. Shot is at 9 bars approximately right now. And even though we're using a single spout portafilter, we have a double basket inside the portafilter is safe. And as you can see, nice beautiful shot of espresso, excellent crema. I'm definitely drinking this one. Steam for this machine, as you can see, excellent pressure coming out of the one, working beautifully. Cool touch steamer spouts, definitely working, not getting hot. And hot water of the machine, as you can see, nice and steady, very strong, and really good temperature. So there you have it. And there have Premium Evo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.